Welcome to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making cabbage roll casserole. Let's do it. Such a nice, lovely casserole to do, and instead of doing the actual cabbage rolls, you could actually do a casserole with it. So chop an onion. Heat up a pan, medium fire. Let the pan heat up. Onions in the pan. Onions sauteed up for a few minutes. Black pepper. Salt. 1,000 cloves of garlic, saute that up for a few minutes. Garlic becomes fragrant, don't burn it. Toss about a pound of regular ground beef. Chop up the ground beef, get it all sauteed up. Salt, saute. While this is sauteing, we're gonna steam some rice. And this time I'm using the Basmati rice. Very nice rice for the casserole. I wanna rinse the rice a few times until it becomes clear. Cold water, rinse the rice up. You kind of get some of the starch out. So I usually rinse it about 3 times. It gets quite clear. You rinse the rice so it's a little kind of less sticky. Yeah, and if you look at the water, almost clear. Good rice. Toss the rice in here. So when I do rice, I kind of spread it out a bit. For 1 cup of rice, 2 cups water. Go 1, 2. On the steam setting. And we're going to steam it for 12 minutes. Burger's almost sauteed up nice, and the rice is going perfect. Just need a bigger pot now. Toss it in the pot. Slice some cabbage. I'm getting the core out of here. This, yeah, we're gonna use the whole thing. Now, all we're gonna do is slice the cabbage like this, as kind of as thin as you can. Bit of oil in the pan. Cabbage in. Salt, pepper. Saute the cabbage up for a bit. It'll eventually become a little bit soft. Smelling good. Tomato sauce. A little bit of water, more pepper, and the tomato sauce too. A bit more salt with the cabbage. So yeah, a full head of cabbage, very good, because it does shrink down a little bit. Super easy recipe if you don't want to do all the work with the rolling cabbage rolls up. So this is kind of the next best thing. Probably less than 30-minute prep, if that. Just gonna stir this up. Tomato sauce up, onion powder, oregano, garlic powder in there, Italian seasoning. Kind of Beaumont's favorite. Mix our sauce up. We're just gonna simmer it for a bit. Cabbage is looking happy. Yeah, you'll notice it kind of softens up after sauteed and cooked. Such a quick, easy dinner. Cabbage is pretty much done, so take that off. Put that aside. Simmering a little bit. Nicely cooked rice. Spread some cabbage out in the bottom. Sauce on top of the cabbage. Some of the rice. So nice, easy dinner. Preheat your oven at 375. Mr. Sauce. Another layer of rice. Now the last layer of sauce. Lovely casserole. Now this part is only optional. I don't mind cheese, so it's a little bit of cheese. Toss it in the oven, probably for about 15-20 minutes till the cheese gets all gooey. Okay, we'll take our cabbage roll casserole's done, so we take it out. Looking good. Cheese is all melted. Let's give our casserole a try. Looking so good. Look at that. Looks so yummy. Cut some out. Let's give it a try. It's like a cabbage roll that's not rolled. Oh yeah, tastes exactly like a cabbage roll. So good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya. And when you get a chance to make some cabbage roll casserole, it's so good. And when you do all those things, it definitely helps out my channel when you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this type of content, you know what to do. Thanks again, and this has been Eater. Bye.